Hello, I'm Prabha. This video is specially prepared for the students who have not registered for TCS NQT and also for the students who have registered but would want to know the pattern and the silent features of TCS NQT. During the session, I would be giving clarity on what has changed in the TCS NQT test. So let's get started. Till last year, TCS was conducting two tests, that is TCS Code Vita and TCS Ninja. From this year, instead of TCS Ninja, TCS started NQT. The registrations of TCS NQT started from 26 September 2020 and the last date for registrations is 17th. But I recommend all the students not to wait till the last date as there would be a lot of technical issues due to the system down or hanging. NQT test would be conducted on 24th, 25th and 26th of October. So this is one of the biggest hiring which TCS conducts every year. But this year it is not only for the computer science students. This year, even the core students have a great opportunity if they registered under NQT. Now, who can register? Full-time graduates, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA. Anyone who will be passing out in 2021 can register. This year, all the engineering streams can register and also MSc students with computer science or information technology and related streams can also register for TCS NQT. The percentage is 60% or 6 CGPA throughout the academics from 10th till the PG. One active backlog is allowed at the time of appearing for the exam. Overall gap in the academic career should not exceed greater than 2 years. TCS would be doing eligibility checks at various stages of the selection process. If a student is found to be ineligible at any stage of the process, TCS reserves every right to not to proceed with the candidature. So let's go into the TCS NQT 2021 exam pattern. You will be having 5 sections, that is verbal ability, reasoning, numerical ability, program logic and coding. Verbal ability, you will be having 24 questions for 30 minutes. Reasoning ability, 30 questions which you have to attempt in 50 minutes. Numerical ability, 26 questions in 40 minutes. Programming logic, you will have 10 questions you have to attempt within 15 minutes. You will have 2 programming statements which you have to complete within 45 minutes. So overall total time you would be getting is 180 minutes. But remember, you cannot switch the sessions in between. You have to complete the one session and then go for the second session. Section 1, that is verbal ability, reasoning and numerical ability is mandatory NQT. Why I have mentioned mandatory, we will be discussing at the end of the session during the silent features. Let's start with the registration process. The application process for TCS Campus Hiring comprises of the below mandatory steps. Step 1. The first step is to register yourself for the entrance or aptitude test on the NQT website. The registration link is given in this video in the description box. The second step, you have to navigate the TCS Next Step portal. Select subject text option in the NQT registration form, which includes programming test, to ensure your candidature is considered for TCS Campus Hiring for the year 2021. The step 2 is to navigate TCS Next Step portal. The registration link is also given in the description box. Points to note. If you do not have CTDT reference ID, please click on Register Now, choose IT and proceed as appropriate. If you already have CTDT reference ID, then please click on Login and proceed to fill or submit the application form. Upon submission, you would be prompted to the Apply for Drive screen. Update your NQT registration number obtained in Step 1 and click on Apply. To confirm your application status for TCS Campus Hiring, navigate to the Track Your Application tab on the Next Step portal. The status displayed should be Applied for Drive. Note, if you are 2021 pass out And if you have submitted the application form, click on Apply for Drive. Update your NQT registration number in the text box, provide and click on Apply. If your status is registered, please fill or submit the application form and click on Apply for Drive. Update your NQT registration number in the text box provided. Click on Apply. To confirm your application status, TCS Campus Hiring navigate to the Track Your Application tab on the Next Step portal. The status displayed should be Applied for Drive. As discussed earlier, TCS NQT has two categories, that is general test and NQT subject test, that is programming. Both are required for TCS entry level as well as for other IT companies. Yes, if at all a core student, for example a mechanical student is looking for a job in his core sector, then TCS would be considering only general test. So that is the benefit for the core students. NQT is open for all students, which the students should not neglect. Of course, this year TCS NQT is free, but this might not remain the same next quarter. Hence, my strong recommendation to all the students is to apply for TCS NQT. It is not only for CSE students, even the core students who are looking for job in the core sectors, it will be one of the best opportunities because from the next time onwards, they might be charging fee. Hence, prepare, apply and let TCS Ion broadcast your scores. TCS NQT is not only important for TCS but other IT companies and core companies. Remember that while you are selecting the subject, you make a note of it. If at all you are looking at a development side, even mechanical or civil engineering students can write the programming test and of course get selected into TCS or any other IT companies. So here there are certain companies or certain websites who are giving free mock tests. It is a strong recommendation from my end to go through these websites. I have provided the same links in the description box as well. Condura or Freshersrnow is providing mock test. Not only that, even the TCS NQT in the link is provided in the description box is giving you almost 30 mock tests for free. So ensure you are attempting maximum mock test for a maximum practice and to understand the level of difficulty and how much preparation you require. I hope this video is important for you. So stay tuned because in the next video I'll be discussing about the technical interview session and what are the questions which would be asked in the technical round of interview. All the best.